Imagine sitting down tonight after the kids are asleep, laptop open, the coffee's still warm, and by tomorrow morning, you've already set up an AI powered side hustle that could start earning you money in days, not months. Now, I'm not talking about a 997 course here, no endless YouTube rabbit holes that you need to dive into, just a simple system that you can turn on and let it run while you get back to your life. Sound like a scam? Well, stick with me because by the end of this episode, I'll show you exactly how parents are pulling this off right now. What is up? What is up? What the hell is up, my Dark Horse friends and family? Welcome back to another episode of the Dark Horse Entrepreneur AI Escape Plan, where we break free from the grind. We're going to share some AI-powered tips and side hustle strategies, and we support parents who are out there chasing freedom like they are modern-day trailblazers. So let me start with something that might rattle you just a little bit. All right, you ready? Most people fail at AI side hustles, not because AI doesn't work, because it does, but because they're out there treating it like a lottery ticket instead of a leverage, right? They sit around waiting for that perfect tool, or worse, they copy what the gurus are out there saying on TikTok. Don't get me wrong, there's some great folks out there at all the different platforms, but doing that is like digging for gold in a parking lot. Yeah, you might get lucky, but you're probably going to end up sweaty, broke, and frustrated. The truth, the parents who are making this work, they're not geniuses. They're not spending 10 hours a day learning how to code. They're simply picking the right lever and pulling on it consistently. Let me tell you about Maria. Maria is a mom of three, lives down in Texas. She's juggling school runs and a part-time job in real estate. A few months back, she stumbled across a short article about training AI models, basically feeding AI data so that it learns better. It learns some specific topic. And here's the thing, she didn't need a computer science degree. She signed up, followed the instructions, and within 3 weeks, she had earned almost $8,000. Yeah, you heard me, $8,000. Now, here's the kicker. She didn't stay up until 3 a.m. in the morning grinding away. No, she worked for it, I don't know, an hour or two in the evenings while the dishwasher was running. That's it, right? She fit it into her time. Maria didn't go out there and try building some tech startup. She didn't buy some secret system that you have to be a part of a mastermind, right? No, she found one small AI side hustle that paid, and she pulled on that lever. Now, her story is not unique, and that's what this episode you're listening to right now is all about, showing you the hustles that real parents are out there right now are carving out freedom without losing their family time. So let me get practical here. Here are 3 AI side hustles that you could start tonight as soon as you're finished listening to this podcast. Number 1 is AI content repurposing, right? This is a service. Businesses are out there, they're drowning in content, podcasts, webinars, newsletters, social media posts, and they're desperate for someone to chop those things up into snackable clips, blog posts, and maybe even LinkedIn or Instagram carousels. Your role in this would be use something like, I don't know, Cast Magic for auto transcription and summaries. You could use Opus Clip to auto cut videos into shorts. And then you could use something like Notion AI to clean up the text. Here's how you get paid. You reach out to a small business owner, or maybe a coach or a podcaster like myself. You offer them a done-for-you repurposing service. For example, $300 to turn a 1-hour podcast into 10 TikTok clips, 3 LinkedIn posts, and a newsletter draft. You get that all set up and you launch that tonight. You record yourself in a 1-minute Loom video demoing how you can repurpose content for them. You send it to 5 potential clients. That's it. And if you don't get someone to bite, you send it to 5 more. Okay. Now, AI side hustle number 2, AI generated micro products. This is like Etsy and KDP here. Parents are already making hundreds of dollars selling AI generated products like journals and coloring books and planners on Etsy and Amazon KDP. Your role in this is you're going to use tools like Midjourney or even Canva's AI to create illustrations, and you're going to jump over into ChatGPT to generate journal prompts and habit trackers and activity sheets, whatever it is going to fit inside your AI generated product. Here's how you get paid. Well, duh, I'm going to upload it to Etsy or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, and you're going to price it between $5 and $15. Here's the thing about this one. One product alone is not going to make you rich. Heck, one product alone probably won't make you anything. But 10, 15, or 20 of them can stack up to a pretty steady income. Launch this tonight. Create one product, upload it, and list it. Don't worry about perfect branding and perfect this and perfect that. Momentum is going to build your perfection, okay? Number 3, AI data training and labeling. There are companies out there that need your input, human input, to train their AI. That means labeling images, rating chatbot responses, or giving feedback. Look, here's the thing on this one. It's not glamorous, but it pays. Your role in this one is to sign up for platforms like Remote Tasks, Scale AI, or Data Annotation Tech. Okay. And here's how you're going to get paid. The tasks are often going to be paying between 50 and $30 an hour. You're not building an empire here, but you are going to build the confidence and some quick cash flow, right? You could use that cash flow to start some of the other ideas. You can launch this tonight by going to one of those platforms, completing the training modules, and then you can start earning within days. Before you rush off and start signing up for everything everywhere, here's the next step I think you need to take right now. Subscribe to the AI Escape Plan newsletter. This is the blueprint for parents out there that are ready to break free from the 9 to 5 grind. Every issue that I put out gives you practical AI-powered strategies to start, grow, and streamline your side hustles. They're all designed to protect your family time while still boosting your income. Your roadmap to more money, more freedom, and more of what truly matters. Link will be down in the show notes below. But for those who just want to hear it, it's darkhorseschooling.com/newsletter. I can hear it coming through on my magic headphones right now. Tracy, why the hell does this even matter? Well, because the old model of side hustles, long nights blogging and complicated funnels and endless trial and error, I think those days are dead. And if they're not dead, they're gasping for breath right about now. Parents and a lot of my busy entrepreneurs that aren't parents just don't have the luxury of time right now. AI is out there collapsing the difference between idea and execution. What used to take months now takes hours. And if you wait until someday, you're going to be looking back and realize that you missed the single biggest wealth shift of our generation, of your generation. And it isn't about chasing the next AI trend, tool, or trick, or tactic. It's about finding one lever that fits inside your life and pulling on that sucker like a slot machine until it pays. Here's the action I want you to take tonight. This is your bit of whiskered wisdom I want you to walk away from. Pick one of the hustles I shared, or some of the ones I share in the AI Escape Plan newsletter. Everyone is very unique. Just one, pick one. Spend 60 minutes setting up your first version. That's not a whole lot of time to invest. Just set it up. Take that 1 hour and figure it out and set it up. And then send a pitch, upload a product, or register for whatever data platform if you're picking one of the, I'm going to do this for an hour. Don't binge and listen to 5 more podcast episodes that are coming behind this, not even my podcast episodes. Don't buy another damn course, even any of mine. Just pick and pull on that lever, because the first $100 will be your proof that it works, proof that you can build your escape plan, proof that AI can be done by you, and proof that you could do this all without sacrificing family dinner time. All right, that's it for today's episode. And I want you to remember one thing. AI, it's not your lottery ticket. It is your lever. It's your lever of leverage, right? Pick it up today and start pulling on it. Remember, think successfully and take action.